Hello, everybody. This is Tony Dizant, space rocker of the planet Earth, and today, along with Miss Wonder Woman, you see her right there. I'm going to be talking about a very special date. Today is November 19th, but 528 years ago, on November 19th, 1493, the island of Puerto Rico was discovered by Christopher Columbus. So we are celebrating today the discovery of my island of birth, Puerto Rico. Yes, that's my island of birth, Puerto Rico. Among many things, being beautiful, being called the Enchanted Island, Puerto Rico has many celebrities that have done great things in music, arts, sports, you name it. We even have an Olympic gold medalist. So I'm very proud of have been born in Puerto Rico. For those of you that might be curious about it, Puerto Rico is a commonwealth of the United States, which means it's a colony. It's not a state. At least it's not a state yet. It's been up for statehood several times. It hasn't passed, but we're still a colony of the United States. All the citizens of Puerto Rico were granted citizenship, United States citizenship, since 1917. So we had the privilege of being U.S. citizens for over 100 years now. And that's a good thing. And I could tell you this much. Here where I reside, the people here are very similar to the people in Puerto Rico. They're very friendly, they're tourist oriented, people nice and everything. But one more thing that people around here have is that they are very real. People here are very real. They're not superficial. They like they could see a celebrity, and usually they don't get starstruck. They don't go after nobody, chasing nobody for an autograph or anything like that. Um, I'll give you an example. Many movie stars have come over here and they have hung out over here and everything. And people is like, okay, they know who they are, but like they could see them in the restaurant, but they're not gonna get up and say, oh, give me an autograph, unless it's somebody that is not from here. Okay, if it's another tourist that's coming here, yeah, those people from other states might do that, but people around here don't do that. And that's I've been very impressed about that. Okay, especially I've been here for a long time now, so that kind of grew on me because I don't come from that. I come from a place that is like a Hollywood. People, many people have many talents, and uh, they uh, they have you know you see them on the street. You ask for an autograph. It's almost like you in LA. If you're in Puerto Rico, you could see a lot of stars over there too. But another thing and I'm not going to brag about this, but I'm going to mention it, is that Puerto Ricans are usually like very egotistical, and in the words of the people right here, they think they all that, and basically some of them you could say they all that. Okay, like for example, I'll give you a few examples. Daddy Yankee, uh, uh, Ricky Martin, those people. Uh, they're known all over the world. Luis Fonsi, people like that. Cheyenne, those are great artists, great people. When you see them, you should ask for a photograph. I mean, a photograph and a selfie and an autograph, right? But usually they're humble. They don't think they all that. But people might think they all that. And usually they are. They have many talents. Many, many talents. Lin Manuel Miranda is one of them right now in theater. So when I tell you every time that I've been the space rocker of the planet Earth for a long time now, probably since I was a child, it's because my peers saw the talents that I have, and that's the nickname they gave me. Tony Dizant, space rocker of the planet Earth. And so I kind of believed it, you know, but I just kept doing my thing, basically, and I'm still doing my thing. But like I say, now I understand. I I personally don't think I'm all that, and I understand that because of the people that I hang out with right here. So, what's the moral to this story? You don't have to say what you can do. You have to show what you can do, and people will notice with your actions. People will notice what your talents are, what you can do, and the abilities that you have. You don't have to brag about it. All you have to do is do it. And if you can do it, they're going to notice. And they will thank you for it. Because they will admire you at some point. Today, on November 19th, 528 years from the discovery of my island, Puerto Rico, this is Tony Dizant, space rocker of the planet Earth, still living in this beautiful planet called Earth.